Hi everyone, my name is Ricardo, and welcome to my course Threat Intelligence, Cyber Threat, and the Q-Chain Methodology. I'm a cybersecurity specialist with years experience in threat intelligence and offensive cybersecurity. Understanding the main threats and how attackers do their work is essential for a threat intelligence specialist. It is only when you understand your enemies that you can actually prepare yourself for the attacks. In this course, we're going to analyze the main cyber threats and the Q-Chain methodology, which is how the attackers do their job. In here, we cover few important topics, such as the main threat vectors, such as phishing emails and password attacks, the main threat actors, such as hacktivists and state-sponsored hacking groups, the main indicators of compromise, which will help you to detect threats in your company, the Q-Chain methodology, which is the way that hackers do their attacks, and the advanced persistent threats, or APTs, which are really advanced groups of hackers, or in other words, the nightmare of any cybersecurity professional. If you're planning to take the Cyber Threat Intelligence Analyst certification, you're in the right place. In here, we cover the second chapter of the CTIA certification, as well as some additional topics that are essential for a threat intelligence specialist. By the end of this course, you'll be familiar with the main cyber threats and how hackers do their work. So then you can be prepared for such threats. So I hope you join me in this journey to learn about threat intelligence with the cyber threats and the Q-Chain methodology course, here at Pluralsight.